Alright guys and girls, friends and family, we're back out in the garage. I know it's been a minute, but life's been pretty busy right now. But the door came in, the brand new door for the 55 gasser. So I hope you check out this video. See me put it on. Alright, so there's the new door. I just had to cut this off. I got a new one. Had to cut the door crank off because it was, I guess, welded on or JB welded on or whatever. And right now I'm pulling out the bolts to get the hinges off. So let me get that undone. Alright, so there are the hinges. Pretty simple. Again, there's the new door. So I'm going to slide it on and get it hooked up. Use the jack as an extra hand out here on the end. All right, nothing's tight, but we can see where we're at anyway. Tighten it up a little bit more. We have a little bit more control over it. It ain't bad, folks. Oh my. That's pretty good. Get a wrench in there. Tell you what, these little stubby wrenches, I use them all the time, man. They get in everything. Okay. Shut that up. All right, look at that. Looks nice. Got a nice alignment there. Look at that. Nice and solid. Alright, so here's the locking mechanism at the old door. We're just going to put that in there. Like so. Like that. We'll get a couple screws in. A couple of 4, as a matter of fact. Alright, I'll screw the handle back on. Gonna be a trick. We'll move you around front. Started. Would you look at that? All right, here's the new door release mechanism from Dan Chuck. It's for the driver's side. 957 or 67G5. I'm not sure which number it was, but anyway, the old one was pretty rusty. They got it gummed up, and I had to cut the end off, like I said. And yeah, the cable that ran across here to release it, it snapped on me, so it was a little bit rusted. So, like I said, this door for whatever reason was in bad condition. You can see down in there. I guess you can see down in there. Not so much. Anyway, so we're going to replace all that anyhow, so it doesn't matter. I'm just going to try to get these screws out so I don't have to get other screws. We'll see if that happens. All right, so those screws would not budge. I guess it's a combination of being rusty, and then I guess that's that rust preventer on there. They will not come off. So I'm going to have to get screws. This door is just not necessary, but absolutely necessary. I mean, I'm just going to race it, but I also want something that's going to look halfway decent too. You know what I mean? And again, I was saying this cable right here has to be replaced. So much nicer, man. Now, because I had to cut the old crank off, I have to order this cable here, and I got to order the crank because I had to chop it off. But there you go. Alright guys, thanks for checking out this video. We just got a nice hard rain come down. But thanks for checking out the video. The door is on. Yeah, just making progress. Just making a little progress. Slow progress, but making progress. Like I say every video, life has been very hectic here lately. Things are just going crazy at work. I'm focusing on that. So anyhow, this will get done. And just one little piece at a time. All right, thanks for watching again. See you in our next one. Please hit the sub, like, hit the bell, and we'll see you. Next. Little too much air in them. All right, let's get these on. These are going to be straight race. I mean, this is nothing but for racing. Just a bi-ply slick. My radio, just a bi-ply slick. So let's get them on here and see what we. All right, so I got those bad boys mounted on there. Oh man, I like that. I really like that look. That's just so old school. I want to get different lugs on it, but that is old school looking there, buddy. Sweet. Brought her outside, squirted her off. She was dusty, dirty. But look at them old school rims on the back of there. Oh man, I think she's gonna be nice. Gonna be nice. Alright, so the tilt front end is still sitting here. So hopefully with things changing, I can focus back on the car. Because that is going to be badass on that car. Yeah, buddy. I still got all this nasty old wire in here. I've already got the wiring harness. I just got to get this to my buddy's house, who is the wire guy in this situation, and help him get it wired up. So, coming along. This thing is filthy, so it needs to be squirted off. But yeah, now that things are changing, I need to get back focused on it. Right now things are opening up, so I've been trying to get the business rolling back. So we shall see. Alrighty.